Hi everybody, welcome to my office. This is OLAPA 111 on the Kapiolani Community College campus. Feel free to visit me here anytime. This is an overview of Unit 1, Utopian Visions and Dystopian Fears. We'll be here for about a month. We're going to start by reading two totally awesome books. The first one is called Mana by Marshall Brain. This is an online novella. A novella means that it's short. So hopefully you've already started that, and hopefully you think it's cool. The second is this short novel by Ernest Callenbach. This one's available in the bookstore, the library, Amazon. You can read it on Kindle. You can read any edition. This book was written in 1975. So as you read it, you might be going, wow, have we been talking about sustainability since 1975? I hope you enjoy this classic book. We'll also be watching a video in Unit 1. This is from Dr. Chip Fletcher. In my opinion, Dr. Fletcher is the top climatologist in the state. He teaches at the University of Hawaii Manoa campus, and I think you'll really appreciate this video that he's made for you to understand the basic science of climate change as well as the anticipated impacts here in Hawaii. You can access this video through this link. It's on a separate Laulima page. I also recorded two short talks that I sometimes give. These address basic issues of sustainability here in Hawaii. The first part is kind of like the bad news section. What are the main issues that we're looking at here in Hawaii? And the second part is kind of the good news section. What are our goals? What is some of our legislation? What is University of Hawaii doing to contribute to meeting our statewide and global goals around sustainability and adapting to climate change? And then lastly, there's an introduction to core concepts of sustainability. And these are meant to give us a common language for talking about sustainability. So these 7 core concepts are actually used by faculty across the UH system. So I introduce them to you here. Some of the writing that we'll do this month includes your first formal forum posts. The first one is about the ecotype survey, and that's available in that left-hand menu bar. You may have already taken the survey. It takes about 20 minutes, half an hour, but I hope you find it interesting. Ecotypes is about how our opinions and ideas influence the way we might talk about sustainability, the environment, nature. They're really trying to get at what is your implicit worldview around landscape. So your first post is describing your own ecotype. Then the second post is about core concepts. So you'll need to understand those 7 core concepts and how you might see those core concepts in Mana or in Ecotopia. And then we also have some more informal, we have our book club discussion board, and we have some informal posts. So I did open a forum where we can just talk about climate change and Dr. Fletcher's video and things like that. Your first short paper, it's only 3 pages. That's due February 1st. This is our first paper, and basically you can either write about a utopian vision or a dystopian fear. That assignment is available now in the assignment section. I want to give you a little more information about these formal posts. These are graded posts. They need to be a minimum of 250 words, and you want each of them to just kind of be about one idea. I think of them as a thought piece. Or maybe imagine that you were writing a blog. Think about what kind of style you want to project. What kind of ethos or personality do you want to express in your forum posts? Now, here's the catch. To get full credit for your post, you also need to respond to other people. And you also need to get some responses on your post. So be sure you write something interesting so that others will respond to your post, because how can I grade it if nobody else has responded to it? The other discussion boards are graded just more holistically for participation. But you can feel free to write more informally. We have our book club discussion. That's where you would write about, more specific things from the book, things you like, questions you had, things like that. I'll be the moderator for that book club discussion. And then I also open some informal forums where we can talk about Dr. Fletcher's video. You can even start your own forum topic if you like. And again, these matter, but it's more informal writing, and it's graded as participation over the course of the semester. So lastly, what I hope you get out of Unit 1 is first that we develop a shared understanding of sustainability, some of the issues and some of our goals, that you get a sense of empowered action and how we can begin to think about a sustainable future and adapting to climate change. And then lastly, I just really want to start planting the seed for you to have a love of reading. We're going to read a lot this semester, but we're going to talk about how to do it. And we're going to do it in a way that's fun. So I hope that Cli-Fi and Sci-Fi will be as compelling for you so that you can really develop a love of reading.